And now let's look how Marts and Dana will show us Waltz gold level routine with the count. 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. One, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Very good, and now let's look at same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start with double reverse spin. Notice, ladies, heel turn here. Then we dance first 3 steps of reverse turn and move back into hover corte. Lady does kind of brush here and outside spin. Notice lady closes feet on second step. Then we dance a running spin turn, which consists of 3 steps of natural turn, natural pivot, and then open natural turn. We dance outside into outside change, which we finish in promenade position, and we dance very basic chasse from promenade position. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. So we take close hold and start with double reverse spin, moving down line of dance. We make full turn to left and continue with reverse turn. Then we move back into hover corte diagonally to wall and outside spin. We continue forward into running spin turn, so we dance diagonally to wall and then down line of dance and finish moving diagonally to center into outside change, and we finish with chasse from promenade position diagonally into corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.